How to add bank account to Coinbase. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Coinbase wallet and after that open up your profile by clicking on the top left hand side corner, or you can also click on the option of settings at the bottom. Simply open up your settings. Over there you would be able to find the option of payment methods. Simply click on it, then select the option to add a payment method. Now it will give you different methods to add the payment method, like the bank, credit card, or any other wallet. And this way just choose the option of bank, and this way it will prompt you to select your financial institution, and after providing your confidential details like your username and password for that particular financial institution, you would be able to connect that particular bank account to your Coinbase wallet. But this option might not be there for some of you, and it is because due to the regulations in your country. So it is completely fine. You just have to go with the other options that are available for you, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.